Welcome back.
Well, no, because we've been
welcome back.
We've been through so many parts already. I mean, like the welcome back's a bit of.
All right, resume.
You know.
All right, this is where stuff gets serious.
Just get press up.
Oh, the beginning.
Wow.
Hour 4.
Intense driving. I'm on
Oh,
edge.
you said this game's about 10 hours, so we should be like a good portion through it now, shouldn't we?
Yeah, but we could be a good portion through it if you hadn't failed.
You hadn't failed at pushing the swings.
Destination.
Take half an hour.
Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son?
What? The send-offs don't do that.
Carefully. Take the highway and drive against the traffic for 5 miles.
Why?
If you haven't reached your destination in 5 minutes, you will have failed.
I'm fairly sure you can't.
Circle, 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 circle.
I don't want to die. Not here. Not like this.
I didn't understand that. They're all like coming at me. Scared. I'm scared.
Stop my hands shaking. I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to make it.
Hayden, you better not fail us.
My hands are shaking in real life. This isn't cool.
X.
I can do it. I'd do anything to save my son.
Not like Jason.
Oh.
If I succeed, I'll get more letters from the hangar. It's my only lead. No turning back now.
This is the most obscure challenge ever.
Let's do it.
Let's go! Okay, I need more coke.
Accept.
Go the
trial.
wrong way on the highway for 5 miles? Am I willing to take that risk in order to save my son?
Yes. I think.
Accept. Accept.
I've got to do it. For Sean's sake. I have no choice.
Let's do this thing.
I'm shaking so much. Oh my god.
Here we go.
Left hold accelerate the whole time.
No.
Wrong way, wrong way. Come on! How many characters am I gonna lose?
I can do this. Come on.
Can I?
Shit on balls.
Can I actually turn the wrong way?
Game momentum, game momentum.
You still have 4 miles to go.
What? That's only
Before you
4
reach your destination.
Go, go.
I'm gonna kill him.
Get out of the way!
Can I just slow down a bit?
Let's get in 5 minutes.
Watch out!
Oh my god.
Go, go, go.
Oh my. Why did I turn left? Why did I turn left? Always turn
You
right.
still have 3 miles to go before you reach your destination.
What? It's not giving me any options.
Oh crap! 2.
Always turn right. Always turn right.
You still have 2 miles to go before you reach your destination.
Whoa! Holy Virginia!
Oh.
Get out of my way!
Oh, Snapple.
What? I can't drive through a barrier. That's not fair. Right, right, right! I pressed right. I pressed right, didn't I? I pressed right. Oh,
Po-po.
Maybe it's
You
Larry.
still have 1 mile to go before you reach your
Can
destination.
you turn Larry? That's my favourite.
Loud.
Wait, I ran the... Oh my god. Don't mind the pictures. I can't see nothing. Oh my god, I almost missed that. You have no idea how close I
Oh
was.
god.
Oh, you straight up definitely killed someone there.
No, they're alright.
Question is, will this kill count?
I just failed!
No, it's good. It's all cool. It's actually part of the story. Don't worry about it.
Destination.
See, you're not supposed to say that. That would have been more
Please press
tense.
the screen.
Get out of my
Destination reached. Please press the screen. Destination reached.
Press the screen,
Please press the
Ethan.
screen. Destination reached.
Can't read upside down buttons.
Your reward is in the glove compartment. The key is inside the GPS. Your reward is in the glove
It's
compartment.
upside down. You gotta press up.
The key is
Up,
inside
up, pressing
Your
either!
reward is in the glove compartment. The key is inside the GPS.
Hurry up! The
Your
car's
reward
burning!
is
I'm
in
trading.
the
Up.
Shit!
I hate being upside down. Open it.
R1, R1. 2.
I don't have any more fingers. What was that?
Up.
Oh no! Try again, try again.
R1.
You sure it's R2?
R2.
And
Up.
up!
I'm pressing up, it's down! Take it!
Ah. On.
I swear to God, it must be down.
It's up!
Oh, you have to hold it! Oh, I just tapped it, my bad. Press it, I'll press it. What is it?
It's in the key thing.
Put it in.
We can't.
Put it in.
Get out of the car first!
X. Hold it. Hold X.
I'm holding X!
Hold square.
Shake it, shake it, shake it!
I'm hiding under a bloody seatbelt.
Left!
I went right! Oh God, it's the wrong door!
What's that? Right! Oh yeah! Kick it!
God! I'm gonna explode, I'm gonna explode.
I am a horrible burn victim.
Uh-oh! Try explaining that.
Like, I got the phone right. Thank God. Thank God. So I'm just like running down the highway and I had actually made the destination. What are you saying? More rain. Need a coke. That's my reward.
Get some letters.
Right. Oh, really?
That's why I had to do more challenges.
Oh. Right.
But hey, 1/5 of the way.
It only took us about 5 hours.
Jeez. I mean, if Ethan wasn't like a mess before, I mean, he is now.
Now, it's a total train wreck. Triumphant music.
The killer left me a gun, didn't he?